Hello everyone. So today we are diving into the process of creation of address verification rules to enrich and standardize the address information. So let's get started. So before we proceed, it's essential to set up the API key from a Bing or Google Maps within the Profisee system settings. So for that purpose, click on the settings option, then click on system settings of Profisee. And under the service provider keys, we have to paste our Bing API key or a Google Map API key. Then, as you can see, under the service provider keys, we have to paste our Bing API key here, and then we have to click on the save option. It will save this API key. Now, let's move on the creation of our address verification rule. So, for that purpose, we have to head to the address verification rules option. Then we have to click on the new. It will create a new strategy. Then we have to give the name to our rule, address verification rule. Then we have to choose the customer address entity because this is the entity which holds our address information. Then we have to click on the create new option to create a verification status attribute. Then click on OK. Then from the options, we have to check the checkbox of location verification option. And as a source type, we have to choose the separate fields because in our customer address table, we have the different attributes which includes the address information. So I'll show you. So this is our customer address table, which includes the address information like address city, address state, address postal code, address country, and the address street. Again, go back to address verification and take a note of a thing that enriching the mailing information, name information, and email information, we have to buy the license. It doesn't come under the free subscription. Then we have to click on the location tab. And in the location tab, we have to click on the attribute assistant, then select the select existing and create new option to create the output attributes, which will include the standardized address information. Then click on OK. Then it will automatically map the source attributes and the output attributes. Then we have to click on the processing tab, and under the processing tab, click on the processing server drop down and choose the Profisee server from here, which will run this address verification rule. And then click on the save and close option. This address verification rule is created. Once the rule is created, it's time to put it into the action. So click on the process option here to run the address verification rule on the customer address entity. Yeah. Okay. Then we have to select the option from here on which members we have to run this particular address verification rule. Suppose I have click on unverified at members, then click on say start. And now we will see the output of this address verification rule. Go to customer address entity. And as you can see here, the standard address information is created like standard city, standard state, standard zip, standard country, as well as the standard full address is also created. So by implementing this address verification rule, we are enhancing the quality and standardization of our address data. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.